Got another hot topic. Why the are shops so expensive nowadays? I'm gonna tell you all about it. 15 years ago when I started as a young boy, I was 19 years old, I had 0 tools. The dealership, they didn't pay for those tools, I had to. I made $9 an hour 15 years ago as a technician, and I was liable for all of my tools. I had to buy my socket wrench, my torque wrench, my impact gun, every single screwdriver was on my dime. My toolbox alone was $25,000. I bought that later in life. That wasn't when I was making $9 an hour, but this is why we have to charge accordingly. It takes a lot of money to get here. A vehicle hoist, a 2-post vehicle hoist, a decent one costs about $6,000, $7,000. We're gonna have 5 of them in our shop. That's expensive. And let's face it, the US does not have a lot of good technicians right now. So we are investing in these guys that are top notch to make sure that we can fix your car correctly and accurately. And just remember, you can have cheap, fast, and reliable. Pick 2. And which 2 do you prefer? Let me know in the comments and I'll bark back at you.